kitchen. Today you can see I'm in another kitchen. This is my home kitchen. The other one is my cottage's kitchen. So today I'm going to cook here. So today I'm going to share with you my cooking method for stewed eggplants, peppers, potatoes with pork meat. In this plate, I use 4 eggplants, 1 jalapeno hot pepper, 1 red bell pepper, 1 potato, some pork tenderloin. I also used soya sauce, salt, green onions, garlic, ginger, ground Sichuan pepper. If you don't have ground Sichuan pepper, you can use ground black pepper instead. If you don't have Chinese soya sauce, you can use regular soya sauce. But the taste is different, and the amount used is also different. Let's start to cook. First, remove the roots from eggplants. Peel potato. Wash potato and eggplants. Clean peppers and remove the roots. Cut eggplants into triangle cubes. Remove the seeds. Cut peppers into small strips. Cut potato into 1-inch thick strips. Cut the meat in the middle. Remove the fat. Slice the meat into small pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in the wok over medium heat. When it is getting warmer, add in pork meat. Stir-fry pork meat until all the meat changes color to white and smells good. Then add in green onions, ginger, Sichuan peppers. Stir-fry. Add in peppers. Stir-fry until the peppers getting softer. Add in 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Stir-fry. Add in ½ cup of cold water. Then add in eggplants and potatoes. Stir-fry. Add in ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir-fry. Make sure all mix well. Cover it. Then cook about 2 or 3 minutes. Open the cover. Turn over everything in the wok and cover it again for another 2 or 3 minutes. You open the cover to check if there are not too much juice left. Then add in garlic. If there are lots of juice left, you can cook another 2 minutes before you add in garlic. Stir fry, make sure garlic is well mixed. About 1 minute. Now, everything is ready. It's time to try our big plate. It's nutritious, it's healthy, it's a tasty plate. It can be served 2 to 4 people. Enjoy! Have lots of fun! See you next time!